Today, I'm going to teach you how to change prices on Shopify. Whether you're running a sale, adjusting your pricing strategy, or simply correcting an error, knowing how to update your product prices quickly is essential for managing your online store effectively. First, open your web browser and navigate to Shopify.com. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll need to log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your store's admin dashboard without any delays. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Shopify homepage, which serves as the central hub for managing your entire store. Take a look at the left side panel where you'll find various options for controlling different aspects of your shop. From this panel, locate and click on Products. This section houses all the items you're currently selling, making it the perfect place to manage your inventory and pricing. Once you're in the Products section, you'll see a list of all your available products displayed on your screen. Browse through this list and select the specific product whose price you want to change. When you've identified the right item, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the detailed product page where you can edit various attributes of that particular item. On the product page, you'll notice several fields containing information about your product, including its title, description, images, and importantly, its pricing. Look for the section labeled Price. Directly underneath this label, you'll find a field displaying the current price of your product. This is where you'll make your adjustment. Simply click into this field and type in your new price. You can increase or decrease the amount based on your needs, whether you're offering a discount or raising prices to reflect updated costs. After you've entered the new price and double-checked that it's correct, it's time to save your changes. Navigate to the top of your screen where you'll see a Save button. Click on this button to confirm and apply your price update. Shopify will process this change and your new price will now be reflected on your storefront for customers to see, and that's it. You've successfully changed the price of a product on Shopify, giving you full control over your store's pricing strategy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.